Let's buy some real looking and active accounts from our favorite site, because honestly, I do not give this section of this site enough love. We're going to use our favorite site right here. This is the site we always use because I have access to the backend admin panel, which means that if you guys ever have any issues on your end, you can just leave a comment down below and let me know, and I can personally fix it. That's why I only use this site, and they have great customer support and great pricing. But yeah, today we're going to look at these ones because I think a lot of people do actually like these real looking active guaranteed. I think all these are guaranteed for life, I think. So yeah, we're going to test these out and see how it goes. I will say real quick, not even these are real and active followers. They're real looking. I guess they're active technically. But if you want followers that are going to help you with your business goals, become clients and your super fans, I have an Instagram growth agency where we grow our clients' accounts by thousands, up to tens of thousands, all the way up to hundreds of thousands of real and targeted and interested people. So if this sounds better for your business and yourself and your account than buying fake followers, please consider shooting me an email. My email is down below. We can see if it's a good fit for you. This is the main strategy that we use, so you can pause and check that out, but we don't even need to be logged into your account. And it's better than any other growth service that is out there, any other growth strategies, the best growth strategy besides posting content and getting organic growth. All right, let's get back into how to order these. What we're going to do is we're going to go into new order tab. So if you've never been to the site, you just create an account. It's super fast. You add some funds and I'll show you how to do that later, but super easy. And then we're going to go into new order category, real looking active followers. We're going to do the followers first. They're active accounts. They do not unfollow, meaning none of them will drop. I found this account right here, and I like this account because they have a post with no engagement and they have no followers. So what we're going to do, we're going to click share to, copy a link, bring this back, paste that in right here, delete everything from that question mark over, and let's send 100 followers to this account so we can see these followers in action, and it's public. So we're going to be able to look at their followers once they come in. I also want to test out the likes, the comments, and the real views. I was looking at the data. Not many people get these comments and I don't know why. Let's test them out and see what happens. So for anything like likes, comments, story views, oh dude, we need a reel. For the real views, I'm going to send them to this person because I thought they had orders for real views in the past, so they won't mind getting those. But for the post, for the comment, and the likes, what we can do is go in here, share to, and then copy link. We just need the URL that will go to that post, which should look like that. And then we can send 100 of these real looking active likes. And we can also send the comments. These comments are going to be either from AI or real people. I think they're from real people because this has been around longer than AI. And we can send, let's go ahead and just send 5 comments there. And now we just wait for those to come in. If I refresh, oh, they already got a follower. So this is what the first follower looks like. And yeah, this is typically what these real looking active followers look like. Some of them will even have stories, which, I mean, this is crazy. There's no way you could tell that this was not a real person. They even have engagement on their content. So I don't know, maybe they do pay real people to follow. I don't know how it works, but that is pretty crazy. And for sending the real views, this guy has 6,183 views on this right now. And if we copy this, oh wait, there's a copy link right here. So we can just click that and then, yeah, we'll watch that. But then we're going to go in here and do real views, and we will send him 500. We'll send that. And then once all those orders have gone through, you can check on all your past orders right here. So we're going to see the Instagram real looking active accounts that went through. It's in progress. The likes are in progress. The comments are in progress. I have no idea how long the comments are going to take. I feel like they should take a while because they might be from real people. But yeah, if you ever have any issues with any of your orders, like let's say some of these drop off, I think they're guaranteed for life. So what you can do is you can copy this ID. You can go into the tickets. You can say refill and then say refill and then submit that. And they're very responsive in their tickets. They're very fast and they'll help you out. They'll either make sure that you are happy or they'll refund you and ban you. But yeah, they're very useful. They're very helpful. I recommend leaving a ticket on the site if you have any issues. They will help you. And if they aren't able to help you, you can leave a comment in the video down below and I'll be able to personally help you out. I've been using them for the last 3 years now. They've been great. They gave me access to the admin panel so I can help you guys out and I can make these videos. They also have a 4.0 on Trustpilot, about 90 reviews. A lot of good reviews here. They have some people that have issues. Yeah, but mostly good, positive reviews. This one's funny because they complained about not getting their money. They asked for a refund. It looks like they gave the refund, and then, yeah, I don't know. Just funny review, I thought. So yeah, if you want to pause this and read this, you can go ahead. I thought it was kind of funny. But yeah, they're trusted. I trust them. Whatever. You can use any site you want, but I like this site. And if you're curious about their other services, I have a ton of videos going over a lot of these services. They have Instagram followers, Instagram likes, real views, comments, reposts, shares, comment likes, more follower options. I don't really trust these follower options. I always trust these ones a lot more. Then they have these real looking active accounts, which we're testing today. They have a bunch of TikTok follower services, TikTok views, likes, shares, saves, comments, all that stuff. And then they have some Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter ones. I just went through and I personally tested all these Twitter ones. So the Twitter ones are working pretty good. I just made a video about that if you're curious about that. But now we just play the waiting game with these orders. Let me refresh it. Let's go ahead and refresh this right here. I think they started with 2 likes. Oh, they already have 2 comments and they have 4 followers now. So this is what the followers look like. The followers are crazy. It always surprises me how real these followers look. I don't think they are real. I don't even know what this says. But I wonder who you're missing so much. Maybe it's about missing someone. That's deep. Oh, what's on your mind? And then this is what these profiles look like. So they look like real people. Yeah, this is kind of crazy how real all of these accounts look. That's how the comments look. So that's awesome. I don't think they've gotten any likes yet though. And now we can check on the reels and see. Okay, so he had 6,183. Now he has about 500 more. Is that how many we ordered? Yeah, we did order about 500. Okay, so yeah, that says complete. So yeah, it completed the real views. That's sick if you want those. And now we're just waiting on the likes, I think. The comments actually came in super fast. I'm super impressed about the comments. And the followers came in fast. I feel like it should have taken longer for the followers to come in. Yeah, these comments are amazing. I recommend if you're gonna buy comments, if you're gonna go that route, these comments are the best ones. They're kind of expensive, but they're the best ones, and they're done by either real people or AI. They're always relevant. It's crazy. Okay, I honestly just didn't want to wait for the likes to come in. They do look like they come in somewhat slow, but I did find this. This is from 2 days ago. It's now the 15th. They started with 1,144. Now they have 1,930. Let me find an account that started with 0 so we can see what these actually look like. Okay, this account started with 1. They purchased 10 and it says complete. So I don't know. One of them must have dropped off so they can get that refilled if they wanted. But yeah, this is what these real looking likes look like. Yeah, I mean, they just look crazy. They do look real. I think I like the comments were better, honestly, and the followers, but yeah, these are still good. So yeah, that's what the likes look like. That's what the comments look like. That's what the followers look like. These are the cream of the crop. They're the best ones. I don't give enough love because they don't make good thumbnails and titles and stuff like that, but they are the ones that I recommend. I had a lot of fun in this one. Hope you did too. Hope you leave a like. Hope you're subscribed. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.